Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga viewers ug subscribers! Kumusta kamong tanan? Welcome ug balik sa akong channel. From the grand stages of the Mariinsky Theater in Russia to the heart of the Philippines, she has captured the world's attention with her grace, talent, and passion for dance. Karong adlaw, atong tukion ang kinabuhi sa usa ka tinuod nga icon sa Pilipinas, si Lisa Macuja Elizalde, usa ka balerina nga dili lang nakahimo og kasaysayan isip unang langyaw nga soloist sa Kirov Ballet, apan nakahatag usab og dako nga kausaban sa umaabot sa ballet sa Pilipinas. So stay tuned as we explore her incredible journey, her impact on the arts, and why she's hailed as the ballerina of the people. Si Lisa Macuja Elizalde natawo niadtong Oktubre 3, 1964 sa Manila, Philippines, sa mga ginikanan nga sila si Cesar Macuja ug Susan Pacheco. She is the second of four siblings with an elder brother, Julio II, and a younger brother, Jerome, who tragically died in a car accident in 1984. Ang iyang igsuong babay, si Gia Macuja, usa ka actress ug musical nga artista. Si Lisa nagtubo sa usa ka pamilya nga naghatag bili sa edukasyon ug disiplina, ug nagtunga siya sa St. Teresa College sa Quezon City, diin siya nakagraduar nga salutatorian. Lisa's journey into ballet began at age 8 when she took her first ballet class under the guidance of Felicitas Layag Rajak. Over the next decade, she passed the 5 Royal Academy of Dancing examinations, demonstrating her dedication and talent. At age 11, she danced on stage for the first time in a recital called Twinkle Toes in Tansaland at the Meralco Theater in Pasig City, Philippines. Ballet trainings and career beginnings. Niadtong 1982, nakakuha si Macuja Elizalde og scholarship aron magtuon sa prestiyosong Vaganova Choreographic Institute sa Leningrad, karon St. Petersburg, Russia, ubos sa paggiya sa kaniadtong Kirov ballerina nga si Tatiana Alexandrovna Udalenkova. Ang iyang talagsaong talento ug paningkamot nagdala kaniya aron mahimong unang langyaw nga soloist nga misulod sa bantugang Kirov Ballet, karon Mariinsky Ballet, niadtong 1984. Sa Kirov, gi-coach siya ni Galena P. Kikisheva og nagdula og mga prinsipal nga papel sa The Nutcracker, Don Quixote ug Giselle sa historikong Mariinsky Theater. During her time with the Kirov Ballet, Konstantin Sergeyev, the artistic director, praised Lisa for her exceptional grace, technical skill, and the captivating energy she brought to the stage. He described her as striking, full of life, and graceful and virtuosic, highlighting her natural talent and artistry. Return to the Philippines and Ballet Manila. After 2 years at the Kirov Ballet, Macuja Elizalde returned to the Philippines in 1986, where she became the first artist in residence at the Cultural Center of the Philippines, while dancing with Ballet Philippines. In 1988, she joined the Philippine Ballet Theater as a principal ballerina and performed in various productions both locally and internationally. Niadtong 1995, gitukod ni Lisa ang iyang kaugalingong ballet company, ang Ballet Manila, uban ang pananaw nga maghimo og usa ka kompanya nga gikan sa mga mananayaw, alang sa mga mananayaw ug para sa mga mananayaw. Ilalom sa iyang liderato, ang Ballet Manila nahimong usa ka simbolo sa klasikal nga ballet sa Pilipinas nga nagpunting sa hugot nga pagbansay sa Russian Vaganova nga pamaagi. Ang kumpanya naglibot sa daghang mga nasod, nagpasundayag sa Russia, Estados Unidos, Europa, Asia ug sa Pacific. Ang Ballet Manila usab nagpalambo sa lokal nga outreach nga nagpasundayag sa sobra sa 45 ka mga syudad ug baryo sa tibuok Pilipinas. Lisa Macuja's community engagement and advocacy. Beyond her artistic contributions, Lisa Macuja Elizalde is deeply involved in the Philippine arts community. She is the founder of Project Ballet Futures, an internationally recognized scholarship program that offers training and performance opportunities to deserving public school students. Her mission to make ballet more accessible has been a driving force in her work, and PBF helps provide a platform for underprivileged young dancers to pursue their passion for ballet. Macuja Elizalde has also held several significant roles in the cultural and philanthropic sectors. Siya ang nahimong Vice Chairman sa Philippine UNESCO National Commission ug nagsilbi usab isip Commissioner sa National Commission on the Role of Filipino Women. Education and media career. In addition to her ballet career, Macuja Elizalde has pursued academic achievements. She earned an Associate of Arts degree in General Studies in 2004 and later completed her Bachelor of Science degree in Business Management with honors from the University of Phoenix in 2007. Niadtong 2007, gipahigayon ni Lisa ang Art to Art, usa ka radio show nga giproduce sa Manila Broadcasting Company nga nagtinguha sa pagpasiugda og koneksyon tali sa mga Pilipino nga audience ug mga artista. The show has provided a platform for discussions on the arts, highlighting the importance of creative expression and cultural appreciation in the Philippines. Recognitions and awards. Lisa's unparalleled contributions to the world of dance have earned her widespread recognition. In 2012, Philippine Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago filed a resolution to honor Macuja Elizalde with the title of National Artist for Dance, citing her extraordinary achievements and her role in raising the profile of Filipino ballet internationally. Lisa Macuja's personal life. Niadtong Hunyo 7, 1997, nagminyo si Lisa ni Fred J. Elizalde. Ang magtiayon adunay duha ka mga anak, sila si Michelle Elizabeth Missy M. Elizalde nga natawo niadtong 1998 ug si Manuel Cesar Mac M. Elizalde nga natawo niadtong 2000. Bisan pa sa mga kalisdanan sa iyang profesional nga kinabuhi, si Lisa nagpabilin nga adunay kusog nga pagtagad sa pamilya ug sa iyang personal nga mga responsibilidad. And her legacy. Lisa Macuja Elizalde's legacy is marked by her extraordinary technical prowess, commitment to the art of ballet, and her tireless effort to promote the cultural richness of the Philippines. As one of the most beloved and respected figures in the Filipino arts community, she continues to inspire countless individuals with her dedication to dance, education, and advocacy. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Erich Fromm, modern man thinks he loses something, time when he does not do things quickly. Yet he does not know what to do with the time he gains, except kill it. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Muffins Cruz and Nasir Hala. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, photo credits to www.thediarist.ph, and inspirational quote credits to www.reddit.com.